Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to officially download, install, and activate Wondershare Filmora. This step-by-step guide will help you get started in just a few minutes. First, open your browser and go to the official Wondershare Filmora website. Always make sure to download from the official source to ensure you get the latest, secure version. Click on the free download button. Once the installer is downloaded, open the file and click Install. This process might take a minute or two depending on your internet speed. Before we begin, please note that this process works for both Windows and Mac users. Although I am demonstrating the steps on a Windows computer today, the process is exactly the same for Mac. Now that the installation is complete, let's activate the software. Open Filmora and look for the login or account icon at the down right corner. Enter the Wondershare ID and password or your mail ID that you have purchased. If you haven't bought your license yet, I have a great offer for you. You can get the official Wondershare Filmora 13/14/15 activation directly from us with an amazing 70% to 85% discount. Why pay full price when you can get the genuine official license at a fraction of the cost? Book now a free trial to get your discounted Filmora 15. Contact us right now via the details provided in the description or on screen. Once you log in with our provided credentials, your software will be fully activated and all premium features will be unlocked without any watermarks. And that's it. You are all set to start editing your videos with Wondershare Filmora. If you found this tutorial helpful, if you have any questions, or if you want to buy Filmora, feel free to contact us or contact the details in the comments below. Thanks for watching.